Penguins by Smart Reads for Kids. Penguins are birds that live in the southern hemisphere of the world. Most penguin species live near Antarctica, where it is extremely cold. A few species of penguins live in warmer areas, such as the Galapagos penguins. The blue fairy penguin is the smallest of the penguin species. They are only 12 to 14 inches tall. The emperor penguin is the largest of the species. They are about 45 inches tall. All penguins have black and white feathers. Some have orange, yellow, or brown feathers on their heads. Their eyes and beak colors can be different as well. Penguins have extremely dense feathers, which helps keep them warm in the freezing climate where they live. Penguins spend much of their time preening. They gather oil from a gland near their tail and spread it throughout their feathers. This helps keep them dry and warm. They also have a thick layer of fat, which helps them stay warm in the icy waters. Even though penguins have wings and feathers, they can't fly. They use their wings and tail to move them quickly through the water. When penguins are ready to return to land, they propel themselves right up out of the water. When they are ready to return to the water, they slide on their bellies or hop right back in to swim and find food. In the water, penguins search for their favorite meals. They eat small squid, fish, and krill. A penguin's beak is hooked, so they are able to catch and grab food. Penguins travel around on land by waddling along, sliding on their bellies, or hopping up on rocks and ice. Thousands of penguins gather in huge groups called rookeries. Here, they will lay their eggs and care for their young. Baby penguins are born with soft, fluffy feathers. As they grow, they lose their fluffy feathers and gain sleek, shiny adult feathers. Each penguin has its own unique voice. Parents and their baby penguins recognize their voices in a group of thousands of penguins. What is your favorite fact about penguins? Hit the subscribe and like button so we can keep writing more great stories for you to enjoy. Thanks for reading along with Smart Reads for Kids.